Hello, and thanks for joining us for our daily market coverage. Here are today's financial news presented by Centrafex, your reliable partner in trading.
Amazon stock fell 1.6% on Tuesday to $242.60, as investors grew cautious about Amazon Web Services growth and valuation pressures despite optimism around AI-driven opportunities. On Tuesday, the Dow Jones fell 0.8%, the S&P 500 slipped 0.2%, and the Nasdaq Composite edged 0.1% lower, as markets contended with heightened geopolitical risk over a possible U.S. intervention in Iran. Gasoline futures for delivery in the New York Harbor rose toward $1.80 on Wednesday, as markets reconsidered the impact that higher exports of Venezuelan crude oil may have on U.S. refinery capacity. The Japanese yen weakened past 159 per dollar, hitting its lowest level since July 2024 and approaching the key psychological threshold of 160, which has previously triggered intervention by local authorities. Bitcoin rose to around $95,000 this Wednesday, as traders reacted to softer U.S. inflation data, which boosted expectations of further Federal Reserve rate cuts. Now let's review the major economic events of the day. At 1:30 p.m., the producer price inflation in the U.S. is expected to decrease, after reaching 0.3% in October. At 1:30 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the retail sales of November, following 0% in October. Tomorrow's major economic events. At 10 a.m., the euro area to release the industrial production for November, following 0.8% in October. At 1:30 p.m., the U.S. will release figures for the Philadelphia Manufacturing Index of January, following -10.2 in December.
And that's it for today's Market News Roundup, presented by Centrafex. Thanks for joining us today, and be sure to tune in again tomorrow for more financial news.